What's going on, everybody? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com, and in this little video I got for you, I am going to show you guys how you guys can make money day trading stocks or options in just the first hour of the market open. Now, I know what you're thinking. You've probably seen hundreds and hundreds of videos like this before. You think they're a scam. You think that, whatever, right? I'm not here to promise you a Lamborghini, but if you get one, congratulations. I'm not here to say that you're going to be trading from a beach on your laptop, but if you do, congratulations. All I'm telling you that you can potentially make money, and serious money, depending on your account size. I'm never going to tell you that you're going to make $1,000 in a day, $100,000 in a month, $1 million in a year, because everyone's financial circumstances are a lot different. Someone can come into the market with $500 in their account, and someone can come in with $500,000 in their account. So obviously, if you come into the market, being able to day trade $500,000, it's going to be a little bit more easier to, hit a higher profit P&L than someone who's barely starting out and still learning strategies and maybe only has $500 in your account. But that's not to take away from someone with a smaller account to say that you can't make money in the stock market trading only the first hour of the market. Now, here's a couple of things that I do want to highlight. One thing that I do want to highlight is that if you tell yourself that if I don't make money within the first hour of the market, I'm going to turn off my computer screen, you will save yourself more money than all the other traders who are searching and scanning and on StockTwits and on Twitter and on social media and on YouTube looking for the next hot play of the day, meaning that the longer you sit in front of your screens and the more you try to force trades and the more you try to look for the next hot move or the next short squeeze or the next stock that's about to go or the next pump or the next dump, or you're trying to read every single headline coming across CNBC or Fox News, you're going to drive yourself insane. Now, this is why I say take the first hour of the market. If you are not able to, let's say, follow 2 to 3 stocks on a day-to-day basis, and you are not able to make money trading 2 to 3 stocks within the first hour of the market, it's better to just shut your computer screen down and come into the market fresh with a clear mind tomorrow. Because I will tell you this, as long as you have been here on this earth, the stock market was around before you, and the stock market will be around long after you. So the point that I'm trying to make is that you will not miss out on your dream home trade. You will not miss out on that new Lamborghini trade if you take today off and come back into the markets tomorrow. So the whole idea behind this strategy on how you can just make money day trading the first hour of the market is going to be very, very simple. You're going to be asking yourself, why did you not think of this all on your own? So here's what we have to do. All we're going to use is a 20-period moving average. That's going to be this purple line on the screen that you see here. And we are going to use the 1 hour time frame. So this is going to be a strategy for scalpers. Now, I know what you may be thinking. If you're scalping, why are you using the 1 hour time frame? Because the bigger the level, the more violent the move. Meaning that if you are constantly watching the 1, 2, 5 minute time frames, these things are going to go up and they're going to go down. They're going to go up, they're going to go down. It's going to be up 20 cents, down 30 cents. It's going to be up $1, it's going to be down 90 cents. What I want is big macro levels. I want a lot of price action. I want a lot of data. And when that level confirms, I want to be able to go long and or short. And I want to make money in 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. And then I want to turn my computer screen off and I want to go do whatever it is that I need to do with the rest of my day. So what I have set up is the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour, 20 days worth of data time frame. Okay. Now I am using Thinkorswim platform and I do have extended hours turned on. So I know for some of you guys who maybe do not have the extended hours turned on, your 1 hour candles are actually going to be every 30 minutes. So it's going to give you like that first 30-minute candle, and then it's going to start a fresh candle at like 7:30 in the morning. That's not what we want. What we want is that first 30 minutes of the pre-market data. So for me, Pacific Standard Time is going to be 6 a.m. to 6:30. That's the first 30 minutes of the pre-market. I want that data included in my first hour candle. So if your charts are not set up that way, make sure to set them up that way. And if you have any questions on how to set them up that way, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Ask me and I will definitely help you privately. With that being said, we can see here this 6 a.m. candle here puts in a wick on AMD stock that we're going to be watching, 109.54. and the low price is going to be 106.19. Now remember just a couple of minutes ago when I said we need the 20 SMA, the 20 period moving average on our screens? If you can remember when I said that, and we are trading below the 20 period moving average, do you think we're going to go long or short on this play? Okay, this is where we're going to set up our directional bias. Are we going to go long under the 20, or are we going to go short under the 20? The correct answer is we are looking to go short. What is our entry price going to be? This should be fairly simple. Entry price is going to be 106.35. Now, why is our entry price 106.35? Because that is the first hour candle's low. The first hour candle's low, which is going to end at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, meaning that when this candle closes, we will only be 30 minutes into the market open. Okay, 30 minutes into the market open. The high price is going to be 109.54. Now, being that we only touched and wicked here, we did not close up here. We are trading below the 20. We are not looking to bounce this stock. Okay, so let's not get crazy here. I know sometimes you guys are saying, that early morning flush, then we can, kind of bounce it higher. We're trading below the 20. We're looking to short below the 20. We're trading over the 20. We're looking to long. 106.35. Second hour candle opens up, but technically, because we're including that first 30 minutes of pre-market data, technically we are still within the first hour of the trading session. This is 7 a.m. Market opens at 6:30 a.m. Technically, we're only 30 minutes into the market. You can see we start to get a little bit of a bounce, and then we get the rejection. And as we get the rejection, we start coming down here, and our entry is going to be below that first hour candle's low, 106.35. As soon as we bounce and then lose this area, we are going to take our short position. I'm a full-time options trader, so I would be buying put contracts. AMD's premiums are not that expensive, so I would try to go as close to in the money as possible. 106, 105s, the strike prices which I would have used for these put options. I would have probably gone with 105s. But as we take these 105s, or even 106s, maybe 107s. It just depends on what the premium is. If the premium is not too spread out, meaning it's like a $20 to $30 difference per contract between the 105s and the 106s, I would definitely try to take something a little bit closer to the strike price of 106, 107 versus trying to get, that 105 and try to save myself 20 bucks. It really makes no sense when we're trying to scalp. So as we get this bounce and then we get this flush washout through 106.35, we are going to take our contracts short here. I would probably be looking to take anything between 5 and 10 contracts, and I would be looking to sell within the first 30 minutes. So after the first 30 minutes, after I enter this trade, I would be looking to sell on the way down. And you can see this candle comes to a low price of 104.22 from an entry price of 106.35 is around $2. Okay, it's around $2. Now, obviously, we're never going to catch the whole move, and we did not close at 104.22. We actually closed at 104.68. But let's say that we took this play at 106.35. And actually, let me pull up a 5-minute time frame so we can kind of get a good gauge here as to how long you would have been in this trade. Okay, so if 106.35 is going to be our entry price, you can see we come down, tag it once, we bounce. We tag it twice, we bounce. We come down, start working for the third and fourth time, and it's right here when we crack is when I want to enter short. I will enter short through the 106.35, and I will look to sell 2 to 3 pushes after my entry candle. So if this is my entry candle at 7:10 a.m., I will look to sell 1, 2, 3 pushes after my entry candle. So if I was to sell 2 pushes after my entry candle, 105.10, and I entered the stock price at around 106.35, so that's about $1.25 move. If I was to sell 3 pushes down, meaning 3 candles below my entry candle, it would have been 104.83. First hour of the day, that is how you make money each and every single day. This strategy will work in any kind of market, a bear market, a bull market, a chop market, I don't know what market, but all you need to do is have the 1 hour time frame set up on your charts. You're going to take that first hour candle's high, that first hour candle's low, and when we get the break either side, as long as we are trading over the 20 to go long and under the 20 to go short, we are going to scalp that breakout. I hope this video helps, guys. If it did, and you guys want more information and more strategies and want one-on-one coaching, maybe you want to learn, see what stocks that I am trading on each and every single day, go to evolutiontraders.com, become a lifetime member. Also join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I will see you guys all in the next trading video.